take a picture of the uterus.
Wait, uterus?
By your face.
How about
by your face? You laughed! She was right behind you! Dang it, you laughed!
Don't worry, I recorded it. You can see it later.
Yeah, you recorded the licking. Wow, okay, I just
Oh my god. You stuck your tongue out so hard. Okay.
It tastes like frosting. That sounds sick.
What flavor, Unholy Roman Empire? What flavor?
Vodka.
Do we need to go get you vodka before the next meetup?
Vodka and vodka and sunflowers.
I'm trying to think, what would it taste like?
Vodka frosting.
Vodka frosting? Like
No,
vodka?
We need a Holland so we can have tulips. Fish and chips.
Hungary has tulips.
Tastes like tea
And Turkey has tulips.
Oh my gosh. Russia's is England.
You're
Happy
Your taste of submission.
You taste like popcorn?
the best tasting.
That's weird. Wait.
Just like I have to eat the uterus. Eat the uterus. See? The
Okay.
Now do a favor for
Like it.
now do a favor for us all and destroy it.
Well, see, first I have to explain that the female reproductive system is a very delicate organ. Finland, come make your cupcake. What is Finland's
Jeez, I love how you just shoved all of that in your mouth at once.
I could do Ukraine.
Yes.
Someone take a picture.
Actually, I don't know which one goes on top of the blue or the yellow.
It doesn't matter. You split it in half and you flip it around.
The blue is on top and the yellow's on top.
You know what Finland's flag is? Finland needs to do her flag.